All conveyor belts are marked with green arrows and red X's. It's important that the green arrows are visible from the operator's side. Align the conveyor belt with the openings in the frame. Gently slide into place. Align the conveyor belt with the end roller guides. Damage may occur if the belt is not installed correctly. Tension the belt by locking the tensioning lever on the non-operator side, ensuring the locking pin is in place. Lock the safety lever on the operator side into place and ensure the locking pin is secured. 2 people are required for this step. Reinstall the molding plate assembly by positioning the assembly slotted holes onto the conveyor bed pins. Once aligned, slide the assembly back until it locks into place. Install the molding plate by aligning the molding plate slots into the molding plate assembly tabs. Press to secure in place. Adjust the side guides against the molding plate and tighten the black knobs by hand. Replace the molding plate fabric on top of the molding plate. Clip the return plate fabric on the return plate. Install the return plate by inserting the tube into the molding plate and tightening the black knob. Install the return plate safety guard. After the guard is secured on the locating pins, tighten the black knobs. Install the scraper blade into the aluminum scraper holder. Ensure the scraper is positioned properly into the scraper holder. Install the scraper holder onto the scraper holder pin. Tension the spring to the spring pin. Please note that the front and rear scrapers are interchangeable. Install the Infeed hopper assembly. Ensure the Dotec logo is facing the rear of the molar. Align the notches on the hood assembly with the lower locating bar on the machine. While the assembly is resting on the bar, rotate it forward until it rests on the front locating bar. To assemble the Infeed hopper dough guides, slide the dough guide into the hopper and tighten the black knob. Lock the hopper assembly into place by turning the stainless steel knobs a quarter of a turn to the right. Install curling chain. Install catch tray